We are using the Easy Learning bumper books at the moment. My daughter's just started looking through this exercise here, which is, can we have a look, darling? Sorry, I know you're trying to read about the worst witch. The comprehension bumper book. These are all for ages 7 to 9. Daughter's she's 7, just about to go into Key Stage 2 in a few weeks' time. So these really follow up on a lot of the work that she's comfortable with, quite familiar with doing in class. Just checking through the comprehension on there. And then we've also got a couple of the more numeracy based ones. So we've got multiplication and division to be looking through, with times tables. And as you can see, what I like about these, particularly the maths ones like this, is that it's broken down. So it's not like just a double page spread of reams and reams of the same thing, which I think can look quite daunting, really. To me as an adult, let alone to children. But they're broken down into lots of little sections, so it makes it look quite interesting to draw into them. So even though this is a whole section on the 9 times table, it's done in lots of different ways. So there will be something on there that will engage your child and that will just help them to click how that's done. Similarly, I don't know, you can see there with the hot air balloon. So that's doing things in quite a different way as well. So that's what I really like about these. And the ease, they are bumper books. So there are, there's stacks and stacks of sums and work and exercises to get into in these. But they're dip in and out books, really, and even you might just agree that you're going to sit down together and just do a couple of pages. You might even just do one little section, or multiplying 2 digits by 1 digit, pick the one that you fancy doing and just go into it like that. I think especially with things like maths, it's about keeping it interesting, keeping it fun, not making it daunting or off-putting at all. And then towards the back, as well as, of course, the answer's been in the back there for you, there's also check your progress charts, and you can make notes of how you're getting on and get a progress certificate at the end of these, which seems well deserved. There's a lot of work in there, so I think it's good that there's a certificate once you've worked through it. It's quite motivating. And similarly then with the fractions and decimals, all broken up and displayed and shown in different ways, which is often the case with something like maths, are very visual. So I think it's good to try different ways of helping children in learning that and following up on their learning from school. And again, the progress certificate in that one. And similarly with I'm just going in, she's working on it, comprehension, there's loads of different, there's non-fiction in there, there's play scripts, there's modern fiction that you're working on at the minute, isn't there, darling? Diary extracts, letters, all sorts of different forms around literacy. And again, answers at the back and the certificate at the back. So you like that? I'm totally in your way, aren't I? You want to carry on working on that, yeah? Okay. But they're good, we like those, yeah, thumbs up.